Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Crazy Egg dashboard, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To log into the Crazy Egg dashboard, begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the Crazy Egg website URL. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page has loaded, look for the login button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email and password. Enter the email address associated with your Crazy Egg account in the first field. Next, enter your password in the second field. Double-check that both entries are correct to avoid any login issues. After confirming your details, click on the Sign In button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to the Crazy Egg dashboard. In case you've forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on this link to initiate the password recovery process. Follow the prompts sent to your email to reset your password if necessary. Once logged in, explore the dashboard to access your site analytics. Now you are ready to start using Crazy Egg's features effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.